Well, there is no such thing as too much cheese. Food artisans in Dubai have mastered the art of crafting some dishes that are not only cheesy but also a delectable treat that cannot be missed. Plus, these are perfect to up your gram as well. So, here are 5 cheesy dishes you must try in Dubai right away. Number 1. Cheese injection at Beach Buns Atlantis The Palm. As the name says it, the burger is just cheese, cheese and more cheese. The signature burger is made of a massive beef patty topped with generous amounts of cheese, Cheetos and caramelized onions. And when it's served, the burger comes with a syringe of molten cheddar cheese sauce, which you get to syringe in just before you take in the big bite. Cheesy enough, right? Number 2. Volcanic fries at Nomad, Jumeirah. Fries is a delicacy one cannot resist, but Nomad in Jumeirah does things a little differently. The volcano fries is topped with oodles of gooey cheese, crispy chicken cubes and sauce, and it's finally sprinkled with Cheetos. Well, this is a dish your trainer may frown upon, but every bite can take you to heaven and back. Number 3. Amul Cheese Vada Pav at Chaat Bazaar, Karama. Vada Pav is that street food that can challenge every burger that exists. The delicious potato filling is stuffed in a pav bun and topped with chutney. Chaat Bazaar serves this delicacy filled and topped with loads of Amul cheese, taking the taste game to the next level. It's super affordable and we guarantee you cannot stop at just one. And while you're there, have a bite of their cheesy masala fries as well. Number 4. Holy Grain at She Burger, Dar Wasal Mall. If happiness could be a dish, this is probably how it would look like. Presenting to you one of the cheesiest dishes Dubai has ever had, the Holy Grail. The burger is filled with the goodness of potato, bacon, jalapenos and oodles of cheese. So this might need a really big appetite. Number 5. Kunafe at Fairaz Al Diafa Sweets Al Barsha. Kunafe, the Palestinian delicacy, has found a home in the large parts of Levantine and Arabia. This one is extremely popular with Arabic foodies with a sweet tooth. This string pastry made out of semolina is filled with loads of cheese, good enough to satiate cheese lovers. There's also another version that's got cream. Cheesy enough, right? Well, what's the cheesiest dish you have ever eaten? Tell us in the comments below.